In Katana 5, we've made some improvements to the network material workflows. These include updates to the UI to enhance artists' experience when working with materials. Katana's shading node networks within Network Material Create nodes now support the ability to hide input connections. This is the first phase for introducing functionality from the teleport node to the shading node network space. Use the Edit menu option or keyboard shortcut Alt-H to hide input connections for any shading node and reduce visual clutter in your networks. You can select as many nodes as needed and hide their connections, or toggle the connection visibility for individual shading nodes from the wrench menu inside the parameters. When no nodes are selected, you can use the Alt-H shortcut to temporarily preview all your hidden connections in your network. If a node is selected, connections are highlighted even when hidden to make it really quick and easy to check where node connections are. This improvement makes it much easier to stay organized, especially when working with large shading node networks. As well as this, the dot nodes have been resized to also support better network organization. They're now omnidirectional and allow you to create straight edge connections between shading nodes to allow for overall faster workflows when building shading node networks. As well as this improvement to dot node connections, linking your shading nodes has also never been easier inside Katana. Collapsed nodes will now auto-expand when a connection is being made, to display only the possible port connections based on the incoming data type. And once connected, shading nodes will return to their last collapsed state. This means connections can be made quickly with just one click, accelerating your material workflows even further. Each state of the shading node design itself has also been given a makeover to create more space-efficient nodes. The removal of duplicate information and large node footers ensures your nodes and shading node networks are compact and that there is no wasted space. Filter boxes have also been removed from shading nodes, but can be toggled on using a keyboard shortcut Alt and Enter instead. When nodes are connected in the connected only state, the page headers are hidden by default to save space. These can, however, be unhidden in the preferences. Collapsed nodes have also been made even smaller to use minimal space. These updates and the extra addition of a toggle for collapsing and expanding shading nodes really help to ensure artists can work quickly and freely without being slowed down.